Monday, the city of Detroit will announce its plans to get a third coronavirus vaccine dose to the most vulnerable people. The CDC has authorized a booster shot of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines for those with weakened immune systems. Today, the head of the National Institutes of Health says the U.S. may decide soon whether to offer booster shots to more people this fall. The first to get them could be healthcare workers, people in nursing homes, and the elderly. There is still a big push to get many Americans their first dose. Today, dozens of medical leaders from Henry Ford Health System took out a full-page ad in several newspapers across the state calling for more Michiganders to get the shot, with the state's vaccination rate just above 64%. Victor Williams is live at Henry Ford Hospital in Detroit with their message. Victor?
Yes, Steve. Well, the hospital numbers right now are through the roof as a result of COVID-19. We're talking about up 90% in just the last 2 weeks right here in the state of Michigan alone. With that being said, plenty doctors right here at the Henry Ford Health System, they've all come together to make this special plea.
These numbers are scary.
With more than 40% of all Michiganders still not being vaccinated, Dr. Adnan Munkarah with the Henry Ford Health System says his colleagues are now fearing the worst.
These are the elected physician leaders in our hospitals, our chief nursing officers, our pharmacy leads, our medical directors of infections. And when they saw that our numbers of vaccination are starting to slow down and we are starting to get hit with the Delta variant, they came to us and they said, how can we let the public hear our voice?
In response, a total of 56 doctors wrote their plea to Michigan residents, basically begging them to go ahead and get the shot. It was all done in an open letter placed in the Detroit Free Press Sunday edition, but for some like Darius Goings, they're still unsure.
I don't feel like we should be the guinea pigs. You know what I'm saying?
The good news is that at least some are slowly but surely deciding to get the vaccine, like Kim Johnson.
It was really for the love of my family. So many of our church members had died unexpectedly.
But at the end of the day, with COVID numbers soaring, there's a chance we may end up in the exact same place we were during the midst of the pandemic.
We are seeing people, younger people, children as well as younger adults who are affected now with the virus. We are definitely concerned, and we are praying and hoping that we'll never get to where we were a few months ago and a year ago.
And the doctor says there is a lot of misinformation out there about the vaccine, so what they have been doing is having listening sessions, hoping to put an end to as many myths as possible. Victor Williams, Local 4.
All right, thank you, Victor.